Many young men dislike hearing reminders against dowry, while many young women avoid hearing about the Islamic wisdom of polygyny. Many wives prefer hearing only about a husband's responsibilities, while many husbands focus only on their own rights. Many brothers avoid discussions about their sister's inheritance, while many sisters dislike hearing about honoring their brothers. Many parents want reminders about their rights, while many children expect more discussion about parents' responsibilities. Many wealthy people dislike reminders about unlawful earnings, while many workers avoid messages about hard work and perseverance. Many employees avoid hearing about employers' rights, while many employers dislike hearing about the rights of their employees. Many citizens ignore their responsibilities, while some governments neglect the basic rights of their people. A better society begins with self-accountability. Let us follow the whole of Islam, not just the parts that suit our personal interests. If you found this reminder helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Qur'an and Sunnah inspired videos.